Wow. Now it's already run. See, the essay master, this app generates academic essays on a topic on your choice, and it's given completely fine result, right? So you can see here essay master. And now let's try. That's machine learning and AI, and let's choose type of essay, problem solution, argumentative, generate essay. Let's see how it responds. Right, it's generated, right? It's very nice. So you can see it's perfectly generated the essay, argumentative essay based on the given topic by user, right? So it's given based on the instruction that we prompted. So the user give against the adoption of ML, something like that, and a prospective part, and also refuting opponent's points, and also the conclusion part, presenting the evidence and all that. So that's how you can generate the essay based on. So finally we generated the essay based on the user input and display it within the application interface. Users can now copy and utilize generated essay for their purposes, right? So thank you for watching.